Okay, now that we have all 4 of our drawings dimensioned, we want to be able to turn that into a PDF and print it. And you're going to submit the PDF online. We're going to print it a special way so that we save some paper. So that's what we're going to demonstrate here. So I'm going to go up to on Fusion. I've got this, and I guess I haven't saved this, so I better save this. I'm going to export to PDF. It's a big button. You have option of all sheets or just one sheet or however many of the pages we want. We want to export all sheets and say OK. This by default is going to go into your downloads folder. So go ahead and call it Fun Dimensioning. You don't need what version 15 on the end, whatever your file name is, it'll export it as the file name, and by default, go to your downloads folder. Okay, so that would be the first thing to do. And then on Google Classroom, okay, if you go into the assignment, then where we have all these instructional videos, now one more to come, you will submit that PDF. So you'll click your submit button, and then you'll have to navigate to and upload your Fun Dimensioning drawing that is a PDF. Okay, so you should have all 4 pages uploaded and fully dimensioned. Okay, secondly, when we go to print this out, what we want to make sure is we want to make sure we are using the high school PLTW printer, and always make sure that you are printing on size A paper that's 8.5 by 11 before you print, or you're going to waste a lot of paper. So once we open up the PDF, we can go into the print menu, and we need to select the HSPLTW printer. The color printer usually has 11 by 17 paper in it, so don't use the color printer without checking with me first. HSPLTW, and it's not in color. We're going to want to get some more settings and pages per sheet. There's where we're going to save some paper. We're going to do 4 pages per sheet. And notice how that nicely will give us a smaller thumbnail to print out, so we can print all the drawings on one sheet. Okay, so that's what we will want to do. And it might shrink them a little bit. That's okay. My eyes are still good enough to read 4 pages per sheet. Used to do 6 pages, but I can't print that small anymore. So we'll go ahead and print that out. And then I will check your dimensions and give them back to you with corrections, and then we'll make corrections if needed. And once they're correct, then you can cut and tape those, and those go in your engineer's notebook.